Islamic University, Bangladesh, IUBI, is an esteemed and large public and residential university situated in the southern part of West Bangladesh, at Kustia and Jessore districts. Established in 1979, IUBI started functioning in 1986 after being established. According to a law passed in that year, it offers a wide range of undergraduate and graduate courses in subjects like theology, engineering, humanities, science, business, and law, among others. 312. Key information. Foundation, the 22nd of November, 1979. Functioning started in 1986. 313. Location, close to Kustia-Jessore Highway, Kustia, 3:8-9. Type, government and residential, 812. Campus, a vast green campus with a size of 165 acres, 812. Vice-Chancellor, appointed according to need, 812. Valuable information. Faculties and departments. IUBI offers 8 faculties under which many departments are available, including theology, arts, social science, science, biological sciences, business administration, law, and engineering and technology faculties. 312. Ranking among Asian top universities, as per the ranking of the 26th of February, 2021. IUBI is in the range of 1161 to 1200, 612. Online activities. IUBI is using modern technology like online banking and providing services to students through it. 1314. Facilities and benefits. Residential halls for both students and staff. 812. Central Library. 812. Medical facilities and transportation services. (812). cultural fields and sports grounds. (8.12)